Hey, hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to count the number of digits of a given number in Python. So let's get started. So the first thing what we will be doing is we will be getting the input from the user. So let no be our number. Okay, no equal to int of input, enter a number. Okay, it's going to be our input number over here. And in the next line, we are going to have a variable that is to count the number of digits in our given number. So count equal to 0. It's going to be initialized to 0. Okay, and in the next 3 lines I'm just going to write the important piece of code. Okay, so I will just type out the code and later explain it to you. So it's going to be while our number greater than 0, what I will do is count equal to count plus 1, and in the next line number equal to number /10. That's it. These 3 lines are like a backbone of our program. So I will just explain to you what I am doing here. So let me say example. Okay, let me say our number is, my input number from the user is 123. Okay, so during here what happens is that our number will be equal to 123. So this condition over here is true. Okay, number is greater than 0, condition over is true, and this is the counter. Okay, so each time this while it comes inside this while loop, this counter variable will be incremented by 1, and I have used here count equal to count plus 1. So that is the reason why I am initializing this count to 0, because during the first iteration, if I hadn't initialized count to 0, this will have a garbage or junk value. So in order to avoid that, it's just a common notation in program sum equal to 0, count equal to 0, just assigning a particular adding variable to 0 for its initial value. Okay, so similar stuff I have used there. And number equal to number /10. So what this particular line does that, let's suppose say that you are having a number as 123 itself, 123/10. So this will give you the quotient as 12. So the function of this line over here is to remove the last digit. Okay, so okay, I will just explain it till now, and now I will come to the main demo example. So where were we? Our number was 123. This is the given number from the user. So what happens over here? Our count value was 0. Okay, it's 0 and it comes inside this while loop. So our count value now becomes count equal to 0 plus 1, which will be equal to 1. So now our count is 1. This is in the first iteration, and here it comes just over here, number equal to number is 123/10. And the reason why I'm putting double slash is that this will give us a // will give us a like a whole number, and if I just put single slash, it will give me a float number or decimal number. It will be 12.3. Okay, so if I just put double slash, it will be 12. Okay, it just gives the whole number itself for me, and that's the reason integer data type. So number equal to 123/10. So this will be equal to the quotient, so 12. So our number itself will be assigned to 12. So we are just assigning the quotient to our number itself. So our number, which was 123 till this point, because of the single line, it becomes 12. And as I told you earlier, this line is basically used to just remove the last digit. So as you can see here, 123 has become 12. Okay, that's fine. So this is over now. Again, it goes over here, but this time our number is not 23, it is 12. So 12 greater than 0, condition is true, and again it goes to the count. Okay, so this time count equal to our count plus 1. So our count earlier is from the last iteration is 1. So you have to put 1 over here and plus 1. Plus 1 corresponds to this one over here. So our count will be now equal to 2, which means the number of digits is 2. We have just scanned 2 digits. Okay, and it just comes over here. What will happen is same thing as I told you earlier. This step eliminates the last digit. Number equal to 12, the latest number, 12/10, and it just gives the quotient. So quotient is 1. Okay, because it can only go 10 and above 10 it can't do that. So 10 is the quotient. So we are getting 1, and it is assigned to our number itself. So our number, which was 123 earlier, has become 12 now, and it has latestly become 1, and just gets over here and again goes over here. This time our number is 1, and it checks for 1 greater than 0, which is true, and it comes over here. Count equal to our existing count was 2, that is during the last iteration. So count equal to 2 plus 1, which will give us the latest count as 3. That's it. We have found, this is our done. Because we are having a 3-digit number, we have just found the count of the digits 3. Okay, so this again it will go over here. Number equal to 1/10, and 1// value is not equal to 1. It's 0. Okay, so at the end of this condition, After getting the count of each and every digit, which is 3 digits, our number becomes finally 0. Okay, 1/10 will give 0, and that's it. This particular thing is over. Again, it will go to here, but our number is 0. So 0 greater than 0, condition is false, and the while loop breaks. That's it. So we need to we'll be printing the count at the end, and you need to come to this point. Okay, you need to come out of the while loop. Okay, don't be printing it inside the while loop. You need to put print, say count, and just you type count. That's it. This is pretty much the code. Only 3 lines. Okay, this 3 lines. Really simple code. Okay, I think this is quite similar to Armstrong number, sum of digits, similar stuff for here. We're just eliminating the last digit, having a counter, just counting stuff. So let me just run this and show you now. Saving it, run. So enter a number. I will enter 1, 2, 3. As you can see, I'm getting the count as 3. Let me also enter some other number. So let me enter 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 4. So it's how much? It's a 6-digit number. If I just hit enter, I'm getting count equal to 6. So that is absolutely fine. So I hope you have found this video useful. I also run many other programming videos in Python. You can check them, as well as programming videos in C, C++, Java, as well as 3D animation in Blender. So do check the videos of my channel, subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.